Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to choose your website goal or goals in Wix AI. Your site goal or goals tells AI what to focus on, so you want to pick wisely. You want to select your primary goal or goals such as get bookings, sell products, show portfolio, or grow audience. AI will take your input and will adjust the layout, the buttons, and call to actions based on your goal or goals. So for this example, we will input the following. For Bright Path Coaching, I am looking to create a website that should reflect the clarity, energy, and professionalism that busy clients crave. My niche is personal training for busy professionals, so my goals will focus on efficiency, trust building, and conversion. And here I have a series of goals that are defining my business. AI will then take that information and continue to build your layout foundation for your business website. Congratulations. That is all there is to it. Thank you for watching.